back. We've got another one here with simple Fijian reading. And if you are seeing the screen right now, let's read together. Natho. Natho. So we can see a picture up here. And the sentence reads, Natho e nroka. Me koti na tho nisa tumbu lebu. Read once again. Me koti na tho nisa tumbu lebu. Were you able to read that with me? Very good. So, natho. Remember with the Fijian alphabet, let's see here. C is pronounced as the in Fijian. The. So na, tho, because of the vowel O. So tho. Na, tho. Okay. So let's gotten that out of the way. Now we know how C is pronounced in Fijian. So it is a tho. And the sentence reads, Natho e nroka. What does that mean? Na, let's just try a little word for word. Na, the grass is green. Well, the literal translation is also clear because the meaning is clear. So we don't have to change the sentence structure. The grass is green. Fantastic. And Mekoti nadhoni satumbulevu. Are you able to guess the meaning of that? Well, me koti. To be, the verb to be, koti is cut. Na, the grass, though. Nisa, when it is. Tumbu is grow, when it is grow, and levu is big. Okay. To be cut the grass when it is grow big. Let's put that into a sentence that is proper grammar, grammatically correct and proper. So the kotinadon is atulevu, to be cut the grass when it is grow big. Cut the grass when it grows big. Okay, would that be all right with you as the meaning? Cut the grass when it grows big. All right, so that's just looking at it, comparing literal translation and then how you rearrange the words so that the meaning is clear and the grammar structure too is correct. So the grass is green. Cut the grass when it grows big. Or in Fijian, na avo en roka. This one, me koti na vo ni sa tumbu levu. Now, whatever, please like and subscribe, and we'll have some more for you later on. Mode.